Wepa, mi gente. It's your boy Dr. Kizomba. You already know. Okay, this weekend, oh Lord. Okay, I don't know even how to start it, but let's go. This weekend, I'm gonna go back to one of my original cities. All right, I'm going back to Amsterdam. Wepa, shunga yonga 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 yonga. All right, so your boy Dr. Kizomba is gonna be in Amsterdam, NOSSA Kizomba Festival. Okay, we're gonna be from the 1st, 2nd, or 3rd of December. We're gonna be in Amsterdam teaching. Your boy Dr. Kizomba is gonna be teaching you that good TARRAXINHA, my people. Wepa. All right. So, and we're gonna be social dancing right here. This event is actually organized by Dino Cruz, all right? So see you soon, my people, all right? If you're around Europe, don't miss out this amazing festival in Amsterdam, NOSSA KIZOMBA, okay? Stay tuned, my people, okay? The bags are ready, okay? So the bags are ready. We ready. We coming right now. See you soon, Amsterdam. Lego. Wepa, mi gente, is your boy Dr. Kizomba. Let's go.